Hello, Julie Mullen here, your Norwex independent consultant. So I just wanted to take a little bit of time and share with you some tips and tricks with our Ultra Power Plus detergent. Our Ultra Power Plus detergent has no phosphates, no sulfates, no SLSs, no SLESs, no chlorine or bleach, no fillers, no optical brighteners, no animal testing, no dyes and fragrances. So if you struggle with fragrances and scents in your detergent or fabric softeners or in a room in general, candles and such, this is a great option for you. Again, there's no fragrances in it. It is also, remember, it's 26 seconds for anything on your skin to be absorbed into your bloodstream. So it's very important that you take care and pay attention to what you are using for your detergent so that it's not, because your clothes sit on your skin all day. So a couple of hacks that some consultants and I have discovered over the years. First of all, this bag, it has 100 high efficiency loads worth in it and 66 standard loads. Now, depending on how many clothes are in your machine, what type of water you have, how dirty your clothes are, some consultants have found that they can use in a high efficiency machine as little as a teaspoon, and then for a standard machine as little as a tablespoon of detergent. The scoop looks like this. So in a standard machine, you can sometimes get away with a half scoop. So play around with it to see how your machine works for you. My first hack is jewelry. So I have a little bowl here that I fill with warm water, and then I just put like a pinch worth of detergent in there. Or some people even put it in a shaker bottle and they just shake a little bit into their bowl. Fill it with warm water, and then you can put your jewelry inside. I put my jewelry in there, I let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then I take my utility brush and gently scrub around on my ring or my necklaces or any jewelry that I have. You do not, however, want to use it on anything that is glued on, so your opals, but things that have glue, you don't want to use the detergent and soak it in that. Another hack is in a bowl or a cup of water, warm water, and a little bit of the detergent, you can put your makeup brushes in there. Let it sit there again for 10 or 15 minutes. You'll be amazed at how much dirt and grime comes out of your brushes. Then take an Enviro cloth, rub it down, wipe it down just to get some of the water absorbed off of it, and then by the next morning you should be ready to go. They should be dry and fresh for you to use again. Carpet cleaners. You can put, this is the reservoir tank that I have in my carpet cleaner. I put a half scoop in here of the Ultra Power Plus detergent. I fill it with warm water. I shake it around a little bit to get it to dissolve, and then I go ahead and clean my carpets. Another trick for the carpet, to get rid of odors in your carpet, spray it with the mattress cleaner because it's an enzyme, or odor eliminator, or even the Sportzyme. Those are all enzyme cleaners that we have, and that can break down things that are in your carpet and get rid of the smells, the odors that are sitting in your carpet. Another hack is put a half teaspoon or a whole teaspoon into a 16-ounce spray bottle. You can take it outside and clean up your lawn furniture. So spray it on your chairs, spray it on the table, take a damp Enviro cloth and wipe them down afterwards, or take the utility brush and scrub different areas down to get it nice and clean after the winter season is done. You can also take that spray bottle inside and either spray the inside of your microwave or your sinks, your counters, and just to give it an extra clean. If you need to deep clean some areas, that might be a good solution to deep clean certain areas. You can also put a scoop in the bathtub. I like putting a scoop in the bathtub and then putting my oven racks inside. Now, another trick that I have with that though is I put a large towel on the bottom of my bathtub. So that towel just protects the inside of your tub to prevent it from getting metal scrapings. Now, but in case you do get some metal scrapings into your tub, the cleaning paste does a great job wiping that up. Just take the Spiri sponge or an Enviro cloth, dip it in the cleaning paste, and it will take care of the metal scrapings that it leaves. So again, this is the Ultra Power Plus detergent. Many uses have been found by multiple consultants to help getting your cleaning done safely and effectively in your home.